Mandani Bay. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, let's have a quick update on the ongoing construction of Mandani Bay as of September 2023. Transforming Cebu into a world-class lifestyle destination. Mandani Bay's residential waterfront community propels its area to become Asia's next urban landmark. Strategically located along the Mactan Channel in Mandaue City, Cebu, Philippines. Mandani Bay is a mixed-use residential waterfront community and a 20-hectare waterfront development designed to be the focal lifestyle destination of its area. The development takes its name from Mandani, an old name for Mandaue, and Bay, from its obvious waterfront location. Mandani Bay also has a 5-star BERD rating from the Philippine Green Building Council, a first in the Visman region. This master-planned property will have residential condominiums, office towers, retail areas, a hotel and condotel, and expansive lifestyle spaces. The developers of Mandani Bay is HT Land Incorporated, a joint venture company formed by Hong Kong Land and Taft Properties. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.